the cross-examination should lead the whole way. This was more like a deposition. This was more like a conversation. This was not what a defense attorney should be doing on cross. Way too long. Pick your areas. Get in and out. Prove your points. And it was a little frustrating for him, I guess, because of the witness. And the only thing I think he proved at this point is that the prosecutor should have given her more time. But that does not mean that Banfield did not have a conspiracy with her. And I think in the end, this 911 call is just going to bring him down. There's really no explanation for that 911 call from this investigator that has criminal experience. If I were the prosecutor, I'd take that deal back, honestly, based on some of those things that we're hearing. It gives the defense attorney fodder. I'll tell you what, if they didn't have that 911 call or some of the interior sort of messages that were going to lure Ryan in, I'll tell you what, it may have been a good case for the defense. But again, the 911 call is chilling. The fact that the defendant puts himself there with the story that was concocted, the defense is going to have to explain that 911 call and try to get the jury to believe that that was his genuine, true, authentic thought, that was somebody attacking his wife and he had to defend and kill that person.
Question for you, David. Do you think they could have made this case without her?
I think it would have been hard but prosecutors chose their witness, okay? My only problem with the plea deal is that it should not be time served. I mean, there should have been more consequence for her. And really, as prosecutors, it left them with these open questions that the defense could pounce on. It gives them some shot because jury might think, like, why is she getting such a benefit? She's getting the benefit of the deal, the plea. She's getting a benefit of potential movies and different things about her story. That's where I think I have the biggest problem with prosecutors is why in the world would you go so low when you probably could have got the same witness with more time, giving her almost a free pass with the time served?